Assalamualaikum people, this is Akroms and you're watching about 1 minute tutorial. In today's lesson, we are going to learn how to make an isometric grid on a sphere. Open a new scene and create a Platonic solid. Change its subdivision mode to triangles and subdivisions to 5. Now select all the edges and create a selection set. Now select all the faces and poke them once. Select your selection set from the outliner and delete them. Now create a new material and make it black. Duplicate your model and apply a new blend material and change its color to gold. Select all of the faces on your model and extrude them. Turn off keep face together and scale them as shown and delete the rest. Now select all the faces and bevel it once. Extrude your model and give it a little thickness and reverse the normals. Now smooth your mesh. In the end, unhide the other mesh. Thanks for watching.